Reinventing yourself is really a process of changing the self. The process of moving between who I was, passing through who I am, and ending with who I want to be. This may sound like a simple process, but in practice, it can be incredibly difficult. Resistance tends to arise, usually associated with us trying to hold on to the past. Because when change occurs, we need to make room for new things, which means releasing old things that are no longer needed. These things can look like relationships, friendships, jobs, clothes, places we live, and so on. Common thoughts that come up are, if I let blank go, will I be able to find something better? Or who am I without blank? As much as I can encourage you to let go, this can only be done in your own time. But here are some questions for you to journal that can help with letting go. What can I let go of that no longer serves me? What am I refusing to let go of that needs to go? Why am I avoiding moving forward? It's normal to hold on to the past. We hold on dearly to what we know because it's comfortable and safe. It's common that the process of reinvention can come with some form of identity crisis as we begin to reevaluate all the different aspects of ourselves and our lives. What no longer serves us or aligns with who we want to be. For some, this may even feel like a process of grieving. But it is necessary, and I encourage you to take this first step right now. Start exploring those feelings and be honest with yourself. It's for your own good after all. And bear in mind, the world rapidly changes, and if we delay letting go, we might be forced to let go. However, with practice, we'll get faster at letting go and give ourselves more opportunities for reinvention.